Hi guys, this is John from WaltonsInc.com and this is Gamebird Gourmet. There are plenty of ways to cook pheasant to make it delicious and tender. Usually it involves marinating or injecting the breast with a seasoning that includes phosphates and then slowly cooking it over medium to low heat. Another way to get delicious and still tender pheasant is to cut it into small pieces and deep fry it in oil to make popcorn pheasant. Now to make our breading, we're using Excalibur's Bloody Mary wing shake and we're going to mix that into some flour. Now this is just to taste, but we really like the taste of the shaker, so we're going to add about 1/3 of the shaker to 3 cups of flour. We're also going to make an egg wash for this, so we're going to whisk 4 eggs in a bowl and add about 1/3 cup of water to thin that out a little. We're using these 2-pound foil pans to hold both our flour and our egg wash. We're going to start by coating everything in the flour and then moving it over to the egg wash. Now make sure you do your best to keep a dry hand and a wet hand here. So the right hand, which will be your dry hand, handles moving things in and out of the flour. The left hand is going to handle it while it's in the egg wash and on its way back to the flour. We want these to have a nice thick breading, so we're going to do them twice and then end them up with one last dip in the flour. Now all you really need to deep fry this type of food is a cast iron skillet. You don't really need a deep fryer unless you're doing this every day. We have a nice Broil King grill here with a side burner, so we're going to do this outside so cleanup is easier. Make sure you choose an oil that has a high enough smoke point to handle this. Something like peanut oil, vegetable, or canola oil. Don't use an olive oil. Its smoke point is too low and it's going to give you a bitter taste. Get your oil up to about 350 degrees and drop your pheasant in. Now these are small pieces, so they're going to be done pretty quickly. Just a few minutes on each one. You'll know they're done when they start turning golden brown and they start floating. We still recommend having a probe thermometer handy just to double check though. We've also been grilling some potatoes as a side since we have the grill out anyway. One great tip for making potatoes on the grill is to place them all on one level on top of some foil. Then lay more foil over the top of that. Now when it's time to flip these, you don't have to waste time flipping each individual one, you just flip all the foil over. Now you've got a delicious meal, and both popcorn pheasant and potatoes are perfect for dipping in sauces, so choose your favorite one and enjoy. So we're all done. These fried up really fast, just a couple of minutes. I still would recommend to get that probe thermometer just to make sure they hit 165. Remember, it's both poultry and wild game, so just be safe. As far as taste goes, these are incredible. Really, really good. They're excellent without any sauce. Just a little bit of lemon on them gives them a nice little bit of acidic taste to it. Absolutely great. But why not dip them in something? The best out of all these was probably the spicy chipotle, although the sriracha aioli was delicious as well. And there's nothing wrong with just some spicy brown mustard. From soup to nuts, we were done in about 35-40 minutes. Have a great amount of these. Could feed half the people at work, definitely your whole family. As always, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and visit WaltonsInc.com and Meatgistics.com to find everything but the meat. Thanks for watching. I'm John with WaltonsInc.com, and we'll see you guys next time. Subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel to watch more amazing videos, or shop at WaltonsInc.com to find everything but the meat. Check out our latest sales and giveaway video here, or watch another hand-picked video by clicking here.